There's an infinite amount of paths you can take in life, and so many opportunities to improve yourself. Yet, we can divide all of these roads into 3 different categories. They are all as important as each other, and improving each one daily will make you unstoppable. The first pillar is health. No matter how successful you are, if your health isn't up to scratch, you'll never be the best in life. Health is the foundation of everything that we do, because without proper fitness, you'll have a decreased quality of life and won't live as long as you could have. However, if you increase your health daily, you'll have improved energy and you'll be able to do so much more in your days. You'll become more attractive, more confident, and it will compound to make you the best version of yourself. So things to improve in this area can be your diet. If you eat high protein meals with veg and carbs mixed in, then it will give you so much energy throughout your day. Strength training will allow you to be more mobile and will increase your immune system's strength, which means you'll be sick less of the time. This means you can work harder on all of your projects and will be able to experience life fuller. Combining this with cardio will improve your heart and lung strength, so you can live much longer and actually enjoy all of the success you've created for yourself. The next pillar is wealth. In today's society, wealth is just seen as a number on a bank account. The more you have, the better you are. Yet, if somebody is making £100,000 a year, but they have to work 100 hours a week, then that's not as appealing, is it? Wealth is a balance between money and time. If you don't have time to use it, what good are millions? It sounds like a much better deal if you're only making $40,000 a year, but you're only working 10 hours a week, because you'll have so much more time to do all of the things you love. With wealth, you can travel the world, experience life to the fullest, and relieve a lot of financial stresses. Good ways to build wealth are investing in yourself and reading, so you have a full understanding of the world and can tackle it in a much smarter way. This will unlock so many doors in your career and in financial freedom, and will allow you to find work you actually enjoy doing. Also, by generating passive income streams, you can earn while you sleep, and it will give you so much more time to do things you love, and you'll always have that source of income in the background, so you'll never worry about money. And the third and final pillar is purpose. The first 2 pillars give you stability and allow you to experience life, yet this last pillar is the most crucial for having a well-rounded life. Purpose encapsulates love, happiness, and meaning in everything that you do. Without this pillar, you'll feel lost and be disconnected from friends, partners, and you won't be able to form meaningful connections with people that you love. To find true purpose, you need to start with developing your social skills so you can create more friends and connect with them on a deeper level. Because at the end of the day, what's the point of having all the wealth in the world if you have no one to share it with? By doing this, it means you'll become more confident and you can express yourself in a more unique way and actually find joy in everybody that you interact with, instead of feeling nervous or shy, because you'll have the ability to have a conversation with anybody that you meet. Meditation and journaling allow you to connect more deeply with yourself, so you can actually understand who you are and develop a personality that is unique to you, so you can actually find out who you want to be. And all of this will give you a better chance of actually finding happiness in life and finding joy in everyday experiences and getting value out of every little thing that you do in life. These are the 3 pillars that I stand by on this YouTube channel, Crafting a Creative. I'll be doing more videos in all 3 of these pillars in the future, but let me know what in detail topics you want me to talk about in the comments below. But anyway, I've been Ben, also known as MX, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Have a great day.